Are you currently having problems with not receiving the sign up code on DeepSeek and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it. So what I did firstly was that I closed my DeepSeek app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. So I went into my settings app and in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage in here. So then I just waited for this page to completely load, with which we need to do. It's going to probably take us a couple of seconds for this page to completely load, just so you know. But when it's done, we're going to be able to see the search symbol in the top right corner. It's going to turn blue and we're going to click on it now. As you can see, we're going to search for DeepSeek in here and click on the app, then click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. So basically I did this, and I guess the reason why it worked is because if they're like launching a new update on the app, we need to be able to get the new update and then you can try again, and hopefully now it's going to actually give you that verification code or that sign up code. If it's still for some reason it's not giving you the code, I would suggest to you to create your account through a Google account. I have seen it and I've tried it myself as well. It's very, very fast. Like you probably will not have to get any sign up code if you're using your Google account. I'm not 100% sure, but when I tried it myself before, I didn't get any like sign up code. It just straight created my account. But that is also one way for you to try it, just so you know. But hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you.